Hello, welcome to week 6 of Hexter 4. So you should have a bit of a sense of urgency to complete your assignments for this Hexter. If you complete enough to pass, great. If you don't pass this Hexter and say you're below 60% and you're freaking out about that, well, don't freak out. You can always make up the assignments, but try your hardest to get done with all the assignments this week, especially the vocabulary lesson that was assigned way back in week 1. So some of you have turned it in. That's excellent. Some of you have started on it. Good for you. So work on completing that. That is worth 100 points. This week, I do have a question at the end I will be asking, and I want you to answer it in the attached assignment right here that says video question, in an effort to get people to watch my wonderful videos. And what my videos do is get you through the week, how to navigate the course, and a little bit of explanation of some of the topics. So let's get right to week 6. These activities from week 6, along with the vocabulary, are what constitutes your final. Okay, so scatter plot. This is a video on what scatter plot graphs are all about. Then, so watch that to help you. Then there is a scatter plot graph that I have listed here, and scatter plots are where you have two factors that have a correlation. This is overall seatbelt compliance, which just simply means percent of people wearing seatbelts, versus the estimated overall deaths. This is on the y-axis per 100,000. This is on the x-axis. Okay, this is the variable that gets manipulated. This is the dependent variable. It's the result of what happens here. That's how graphs are set up. The horizontal axes are the graphs that can be, the factor that can be manipulated, and this is the result of that factor. So you're going to learn a little bit about scatter plot graphs. Then let's go back. Okay, let's go back one more. There we go. And one more. Okay. Oh, this is the video question, but I'll get to that in a minute. Sorry, I'm a little trouble navigating right here. Week 6, there we go. All right, so this is a video about the scatter plot graph. Then I have a just an explanation of the assignment. Okay, right here. Again, just read through there. That's the explanation of the assignment. Then the actual assignment is here, where it's got the pencil. Okay, scatter plot graph. Oh, sorry, back that up one time. Here's your assignment, scatter plot graph and Newton's laws. And it says, after completing the scatter plot graph activities, with all you have learned about Newton's laws of motions in your academic career, as well as some of you in this class, tell me which of Newton's laws you think most applies to the graph. You should write the law and give as much explanation as to why you picked that particular law. By give an explanation, here's what I mean. Explain how not wearing seatbelt relates to the Newton's law you chose. Here's a copy of the graph to help you with an answer, and here's a copy of Newton's 3 laws. Pretty straightforward, and you can answer it right off of this page. Okay, let's go back. All right, now here's an observational exercise assignment for how to write directions. So on this page, I explain the procedure, and on this page, the next page, is the one that you can actually edit and write on. and explain with his being as precise as possible, and say that it's someone who's never ever done this task. You are explaining to them how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Now you're like, what does this have to do with science? Science is all about following directions. So I want you to be precise in your directions. Step 1, step 2, and so on, as many steps as a person might need. I'm not telling you how many steps to write. Just pretend maybe you're explaining it to an alien, or someone, at least someone who has never made peanut butter and jelly sandwich before. And that's all we got for week 6, which gives you a lot of time to get caught up on the assignments that you either didn't get a chance to get at, didn't get a chance to complete. So I feel really good that most of you will get this work done. And here's my video question. And that goes right here. The answer to that will be typed right here. And you are to answer, list at least 2 strategies that will help you succeed in this and all your classes by being successful, not the right word, by being wise with how you're spending your time. So I guess that's a better way to put it. Answer the question that I'm asking now. List at least 2 strategies that will help you complete as much work as possible in this week 6. There you go. Have a great day and a great week.